Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, you'll need an app to open this MS Windows Store error on your Windows 11 computer. Then please watch this video. Now let us assume for a minute that this is a file. I'm trying to open it. I get this error. So the reason is that I do not have any app on the system which can open it. The system will try to redirect me to install a relevant application from the Microsoft Store, but I may or may not consider this. The best way is to right click on that file which I was trying to open, select show more options, and then go to properties and then check the extension type here. Is it is it a known extension? If yes, then just check which all applications can run it. Okay, and then you can install it from the Microsoft Store or anywhere else. Like for example, for this one, I will simply search for store and then I will search for VLC because VLC can open an MP4 file. I'll go to the app and install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.